Hello YouTube, it's Frightened Gaming here. I'm back and I've got the Match Attack 2013-2014 starter pack. So yeah, let's get into opening this. And yeah, it's my birthday next Saturday. Sorry about that, I just put my phone down. Right, so my birthday next Saturday, so in a week, and I have just went and bought this just now, like I've just got back home, and so we got the Eden Hazard limited edition. These look bloody awesome, these bloody cards, they're flipping immense, with his 85 speed, 39 tackle, 66 power, 86 shoot, 94 skill, 89 pass. It's worth 12 million. He plays for Chelsea and 45 defence, 92 attack. So that's a nice card. So yeah, let's get into it. Let's open it. Right, who will I get from this pack? Okay. Right, we've got Pablo Di Canio, manager. Alejandro Puzzuelli, 4.5 million value. Yunus Kabul, 5 million. Anelka, 5.5 million. Kevin Nolan, 7 million. For Marlin, 5.5 million. Joe Bennett, 4.5 million. Peter Whittingham, 5 million. Oscar, 8.5 million. And star player, Jack Wilshere. So these are nice cards this year, so yeah. So, let's just see what we got in here. Right, we've got the limited edition, the pack, and the packs and stuff. Subscribe only. Football to the biggest one free 10 card pack every week. Not bad. 60-page footy fix. One free exclusive limited edition cards only available to subscribers. Aguero there. The bronze, silver, and gold cards. What do you all think about how they're doing the limited editions this year? Like with the different colours, with different stats and stuff. That's pretty cool. So look, there's the Match Attax things. Let's see, free limited edition cards only available to subscribers. Collect 2 points each week and redeem them for your extra rare silver and gold cards. There, so you go. So look, this is sweet, yeah. Like a little magazine, and then you got the book. Playing pitch. That. The pages and all the player things. So yeah, I'm not sure if I'll actually collect them. I might. I don't know if I will or not, because they look cool, but I don't know if I'm gonna bother with like spending like all that money every week and everything, like every couple of days. But let me know what you think about like the binders and stuff. If you like these ones better or the old ones. Might do a Far Cry 3 video tomorrow. And yeah, so this has been Frightened Gaming here. Thanks for watching and goodbye.